A bridge is a section of a song that provides contrast to the rest of the song. Now, a bridge is used to keep a song interesting, and it has two primary functions. Number one is to provide variety. So when a song just goes back and forth from verse to chorus, it can become predictable, and if it becomes too predictable, then a listener can lose interest in the song. So a bridge can add a little bit of variety that hopefully will keep a listener engaged all the way through the song. If you think about what a physical bridge is, it connects two different places together. Now, in a song, it can connect one part of a song to another part of a song. So if you, for example, want to end your song with two choruses just back to back, you can add a bridge section in between these two choruses, which will bridge them together, and hopefully it will add variety to make that final chorus sound more climactic. How do you write a bridge? Well, as always, there is no right or wrong way to write a song, but I've got a few things that you can keep in mind to help you to write a bridge if you're new to writing songs. Your bridge should add contrast to your song by having a different musical or lyrical element to the rest of your song. So change the chord progression, change the key, change the dynamic or the tempo. Lyrically, you could change the perspective of the lyric. Give the song a different direction so that it has more impact when it returns to a familiar section that comes after the bridge. Give the theme of your song in a new way. As I said in my video about writing a chorus, it really helps to know what your song is about and what the point or the message of your song is. Now, the bridge is the perfect place to reinstate this theme. Try to make the listener think about the point of your song in a different way. Have your bridge be an instrumental section. So the bridge is there to add contrast, as I've already said. So if your song is very vocal heavy, then going to an instrumental section might add the perfect contrast that your song might need. A bridge is also referred to as a middle eight because they tend to be just 8 bars long, so they're quite short sections. But there is something else I want to add here. You do not have to have a bridge in your songs. I used to write sections for songs just for the sake of them being there. So always think about what your song needs so that the song is going to connect with the listeners, it's going to keep them engaged, and it expresses what the song is trying to say. I used to have this student that would ask me what you might consider to be really obvious questions. Things like, what is a verse? What is a chorus? What is a bridge? What is a pre-chorus? Now, these may seem like obvious questions, but can you actually answer that? So I think if you watch this, it's going to really help you as a songwriter. See you there, guys.